Current drishti yearly pay 3233. Launch Vehicle Mark 3 LVM-3M4. LVM-3 is the operational heavy lift launch vehicle of ISRO and has a spectacular pedigree of completing 6 consecutive successful missions. Height 43.4 meter and lift of 642 t. This is the fourth operational flight of LVM-3 that launched the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft to geotransfer orbit (GTO). Key features of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Chandrayaan-3 consists of an indigenous propulsion module, lander named Vikram, and a rover named Pragyan, with an objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for interplanetary mission. The propulsion module carried the lander and rover from injection orbit to till 100-kilometer lunar orbit. It also carries a spectropolarimetry of habitable planetary Earth payload to study the spectral and polarimetric measurement of Earth from lunar orbit. Lander payload's mass 1749.86 kg and power 738 watt. Rambha LP Langmuir probe to measure the near surface plasma ions and electrons density and its changes with time. CHA-STE Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment to carry out the measurements of the thermal properties of lunar surface near polar region. ILSA Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity to measure seismicity around the landing site and delineating the structure of the lunar crust and mantle. Mission Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3. 2008 Objective Study Lunar Surface. Study the lunar surface. Land rover on the lunar south pole. Third is demonstrating landing capabilities for lunar polar exploration mission. 2008, 2019, 2023. Components: Orbiter, Moon Impact Probe, Orbital Lander Vikram rover, Propulsion Module, Lander rover. Findings: confirmed presence of lunar water, lunar caves, tectonic activity, faults and fractures. Buildings on the evidence of water molecules shown by Chandrayaan 1. Communication issues. After 312 days of operation, lander crashed, landed rover unable to operate. Launch vehicle PSLV, GSLV, MK3, LVM3. Landing site lunar south pole, lunar south pole. For Chandrayaan 1 it was not specific, it just had to land on moon because it was our first moon mission after all. Rover payloads mass 26 kg, power 50 watt. APXS alpha particle X-ray spectrometer to derive the chemical composition and infer mineralogical composition to further enhance our understanding of lunar surface. LIBS laser induced breakdown spectroscope to determine the elemental composition MgAISIKCATIFE of lunar soil and rocks around the lunar landing site. Changes and improvements in Chandrayaan 3. The rover is equipped with hazard detection and avoidance systems, ensuring a safe transversal of the moon's surface. Landing site. The site is at around 70 degrees S near the southern pole of the moon. The Chandrayaan 3 lander has solar panels on 4 sides instead of only 2 in Chandrayaan 2. The landing area has also been expanded from a patch of 500 mx 500 meter to a broad 4 km into 2.4 km area. Weight: due to modification made for safe landing, the weight of the payload is slightly more than the previous mission. The objective of Chandrayaan 3: to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, to conduct in situ scientific experiments. Central Tribal University in Telangana. On December 13, 2023, the Parliament passed the Central Universities Amendment Bill 2023 Bill To establish a central tribal university in Telangana, the bill was passed by Rajya Sabha through a voice vote after it was cleared by Lok Sabha. The center has allotted rupees 889.7 crore for it. The university is expected to be set up in Mulugu and is named after tribal goddess Samakha and Sarakha. Garba dance recognized as intangible cultural heritage. Recently, in December 2023, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO officially added Gujarat's iconic Garba dance to its esteemed representative list of intangible cultural heritage ICH of humanity. It was decided during its 18th session of the Intergovernmental Committee which took place in Kasane, Botswana. India was elected to be part of the 24-member Intergovernmental Committee of the ICH 2003 convention in 2022 for a tenure of 4 years. Garba dance form is the 15th cultural item from India to make it to the UNESCO list. All Kolkata's Durga Puja was last one added in 2021. Garba is a form of Gujarati folk dance that is performed during the 9-day Hindu festival of Navaratri, which celebrates the victory of good over evil. The name Garba comes from the Sanskrit word for womb, implying life and creation. India Mobile Congress. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the 7th edition of India Mobile Congress 2023 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi on October 27, 2023. India Mobile Congress IMC is the largest telecom media and technology forum in Asia to be held from 27th to 29th October 2023 with the theme Global Digital Innovation. During the program, Prime Minister awarded 100 5G use case labs to educational institutions across the country. It was informed that the Jio had installed over 10 lakh 5G cells across all 22 circuits of India, making an 85% contribution to the overall 5G contribution. India ranks among the top 3 5G enabled nations with a user base of 125 million. India moved from the 118th position to the 43rd position in terms of broadband speed. Wow. India's first regional rapid transit system. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the priority sector of Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut corridor, 17 km at Shahibabad Rapid X Station in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh on October 20, 2023. Foundation stone was laid on March 8, 2019 by PM Modi. Special India's first rapid rail system. RRTS is a new rail-based semi-high-speed, high-frequency transit system which can attain speed of up to 180 km per hour. He has also flagged off the Namo Bharat Rapid X train connecting Sahibabad to Duhai Depot, marking the launch of the Regional Rapid Transit System RRTS in India. The Prime Minister personally travelled in the regional rapid train named Namo Amrit Bharat Railway Station Scheme. Scheme aims to enhance and modernize railway stations throughout the Indian Railways network. The scheme currently intends to upgrade, modernize a total of 12275 stations across the Indian railway system. It was launched in Feb 2023 by Ministry of Railways. Travel for Life and Best Tourism Village Award 2023. The Ministry of Tourism India hosted its first the 46th Pacific Asia Travel Association PATA Pata Travel Mart 2023 in the city of New Delhi in October 2023. Previously, on the occasion of World Tourism Day 2023, September 27, Ministry of Tourism organized the global launch of Travel for Life. The global launch of Travel for Life was done at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Highlights of the Travel of Life program. Travel for Life is a sectoral program under Mission Life targeted towards the tourism sector.